It's chocolate, baby.
Chocolate?
Yeah, it's a chocolate bunny.
Open.
Go ahead. Is it good? You ate the bunny. Did you eat the bunny? What else did you get? No, there's nothing in it. You don't finish it, I'll wrap it back up. And a little toy. Oh, you got a bunny. You love your bunnies. What else did you get? You not want it no more?
Nummy.
Oh, we'll eat the nummies. See? I promise you're gonna get a lot more candy later.
Alright.
Alright. Happy Easter.
Easter.
Yeah.
What?
Look for the eggs, baby. Look for eggs.
Put it in here. Put it in here. Alright. No, put yours in there.
Put your egg. Go find another egg. Watch out for the stuff on the ground. Go find another egg, Bubble.
Okay.
Give me your basket. Look, 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 look. Look right here.
Yeah.
Look at Yuki. Right here, baby.
Let baby get that one. Look, behind you. Behind you.
Get the egg. Put it in the basket. All right, baby. Look under the plate, Bubble. See if there's one under. Hey, hey. Look under the plate. See if there's one under there.
Ants trying to get on you motherfuckers. That's why I wasn't trying to do it over in the field.
Oh, what?
The quicker they get to them, the easier. Look, Mama, he found one on his own. Look, he found one on his own, Mama. Take it in there. You know what I'm saying? I put them in pretty easy spots, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, what?
Oh, you got a car too?
Alright, you found another one.
You found some. Oh, you found it. He gets the idea. He gets the idea.
Those are yours. No, that one's your brother's. He found that one.
Look, Bubble, right here. Look, right there. That egg behind the wheel.
There's also some off over there and off right there.
Oh, it's gonna take a whole minute.
There's one sitting right.
He's looking.
right
He's
side.
looking. He's looking.
Nope, not that way.
We don't got any that far. Come back this way, boy.
All over here.
Papa. Come back this way.
Even one in the tree.
Oh.
Baby. Oh.
Hey, what'd you find? Come here. Come on.
Look right here.
Baby.
Hey,
Looky. Look at the egg. Hey.
He's looking over there. There's
Aw.
one in that rock. There's one in that brick too.
Look at that. Silly boy.
Look above you. Look up.
Look right there in the tree, baby. Look. Look. You're in the tree. Right here. Right here. Look. Right here. Bubbles. Right here. Can you get the egg? Here, Mama get it for you.
I got one right here.
Put it in your basket. All right, little baby.
Showing the monkey sitting right there.
Looky, baby. Right here. No, no, not reverse.
Behind
No,
you,
that's
Ryan.
baby.
Look, Spider-Man over
Look,
there.
there's Spider-Man over there. All right, baby.
Yeah, then there's one on top of the little green car.
Look, over there by Graham. Go look by Graham.
There's one in front of the bathtub.
Go. Go look over there. You're supposed to look for him, Bubbles. Brother's found more eggs on his own than you have.
Elwood. Elwood, baby. Elwood.
Okay, we're not playing with the puppy right now. Oh, he wants to play with them. You never really seen him, have you, baby? Hi, Grammy, Grammy, Graham. Hello, Grammy, Grammy, Grams. Hey, come on, let's go back to Easter, huh? Yeah, this birdie poop. Come on. Bobby, you seen it?
I was giving that one to Noah.
Oh, well.
Right along the...
What did you get on you? Oh, it's okay. If we have to, we'll rechange you. Come on, baby. You having trouble? Come on. Oh, come on. Let's get up, babies. There's ants right here. Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Look.
I see two more
Up in that brick.
from where I am. Come on.
We'll let Noah get that one by the stool. That brick.
Right there. Get that baby. Get that baby. Get it. Put it in. All right. Sure,
He's trying to shove
those
that whole bunny in his
are
mouth. Look,
yours.
look. He's shoving that whole bunny in his mouth. The whole damn bunny.
Can we say baby whoops? Okay, guys. Happy fucking Easter, everybody. And she come back inside. Baba, come back inside. Hey. Now get off the ground. You're gonna get sick. Come inside. Come inside, baby.
Some of these pieces of ice just look weird. Look, baby.
Is that our pizza man?
Yep.
Bubba, come here. Hold on. Just give him a chance. Turn around. Yeah, go ahead, because you know he's been fucking with the rain just to deliver this pizza. Hey, he's gonna go get his pizza.
Come here, Revias.
Bubba, come here.
Revias, come here.
I know, come on.
Come here, it'll be here in a minute.
You ain't got
He
no
thinks it's
shoes
Pawpaw.
on. Oh, he thinks it's Pawpaw?
Come here, Revias.
No, sweetheart, it's not Pawpaw. It's pizza.
I know, right?
Baby.
You could have pulled up in the driveway.
Ooh, baby. Well, he can't cross. He can't really cross. It's like,
That's why I said
hey,
pull in the
you get
driveway.
up in the porch, you're gonna get sick. You're gonna have to go take a bath. And get in some warm clothes. I'm gonna have to find
That's why I was saying pull up in the driveway. My truck ain't there at the moment. He can't get across.
Now we'll have to reach out.
Oh!
What?
You just threw a teddy bear out in the water.
It's alright.
That's the one I gave you.
What?
Get up on the porch, boy.
What?
Oh, it looks like it's slowing down.
For the moment. Look, now the fog's gone. Look, you see how that fog just disappeared?
Yeah, you see the movement of clouds down there.
Oh,
Hey! Oh,
yeah. Watch the rotation.
yeah!
He is
See,
coming,
you got clouds.
Revias.
Look, you got clouds going that way, but you got some going that way.
Look.
Hey! Oh, hey!
What do you think of this weather?
Hey!
Well, I know this is normal, but normally I'm not driving, but I have to work today.
You see the way that fog just rolled in like that?
Yeah.
And now it's gone.
Let's see, I want to step
Yeah, go ahead and come step